Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Let's take a little trip to the southeast of Jamaica, in the county of Middlesex, to one of Jamaica's largest parishes. We have in this location a spacious two bedrooms, one bathroom, townhouse style, and land area of 3,013 square feet. The exact location of this house is in the quiet residential community known as Tryall Estate in St. Catherine. It is just a stone throw away from the St. Jago Heights community and 10 minutes drive from Spanish Town and the main shopping areas. The house is grilled, has ceramic tiling, and is well suited for a single family. The current price of this house is Jamaican 17.5 million or US $111,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.